It's fresh, it's modern. So if you love styles like the cafe chic in the Cafe collection by Belle Tress, that's going to be very similar. If you like, and this is almost a doppelganger, guys, if you like the Leah 2 by Ellen Villa, how fresh is this cut? A sleek long bob style above the shoulder at around 10-11 inches overall. So we've got about a 6-inch fringe here with a 10-inch length. It's an extreme light density. So if you love styles like the cafe chic in the Cafe collection by Belle Tress, that's going to be very similar. If you like, and this is almost a doppelganger, guys, if you like the Leah 2 by Ellen Villa, this is almost identical to that style, and I would actually like to see these side by side eventually, just to do a comparison. But you notice how really wispy this waistline is? So you've got this blunt cut, razored ends, but it moves so well. Just an effortless waistline at the bottom. The side pieces just feather back into the style. Now when I look down, they do tend to crowd the face a little, but you could use some training on this. It is a heat-friendly style, so you could definitely get in there and use some heat to contour it away from the face if you like. And this one features that temple to temple, extended lace front, and extended left monofilament side part. Let's get up close on this lace front, and then I'm going to get into this color with you. Again, super lightweight, no permatease at all on this style. The knots are extremely fine on this lace. They have done this right. See how they've kind of interspersed the highlight without getting a banding effect? I love that. The other thing that I love is that they have knotted every other hole or so. So it's less dense as you move out towards the hairline, which always gives a soft, natural look. And then along that left monofilament part there, you're definitely getting the illusion of scalp all the way back to the hind crown. And I'm going to put up a picture here of the inside of this cap, because if you've seen one from the City collection, they're all very, very similar, and they do fit average to average large. I actually had to cinch this one in as far as it could go to accommodate a petite average circumference, but I am getting a more secure fit with those Velcro adjusters versus the old strap style pull adjusters. So just know that if you're out there and you have more of a petite circumference. This cap is much upgraded. In fact, it rivals the best of Raquel Welch in terms of its cap construction. And I am absolutely thrilled with the blonde selection in that City collection. And this is a really warm blonde, as you would expect. The color code on this one is a 30, a 27, a 613, and a 10 root. The highlight is just so fresh and beautiful. So what you're going to see here is kind of a light auburn blended with some strawberry blonde and some baby gold blonde. So every single color that makes up this combination is warm. And then that on a 10 root, a little bit lighter than, let's say, an 8, but still firmly medium. And I think it does blend very well. That first layer there at about 6 inches just tends to feather back, and the more often you do that, the better it'll be trained. So it does stay out of the eyes a little better than it did initially right out of the box. So I believe this is highly trainable. Let's try with glasses. As I suspected, an absolutely beautiful, secure, and comfortable fit with your glasses. A great full-time glasses wig option. So let's get down to some styling. Thank you for joining me, and watch for some color and style comparisons coming up. See you soon.